Just about to enrolled agent, owner of Road Tax Professionals. Wanted to remind my clients and other businesses that are in cash intensive businesses to file their Form 8300. That is a form in which if you, one of your customers pays you an accumulated amount over $10,000, you need to file this form. And so it is a misperception that if you were to pay several payments of $9,000, you would avoid getting reported, but that's not the case. The IRS requires this form when there's an accumulated total over $10,000. So you should probably be collecting the information to fill this form out as soon as you start receiving cash and expect to receive over $10,000. The form looks like this. Form 8300. You got to put the information from the person dropping off the cash. You've got to put down the information of the company that is you're receiving the cash from. You got to put your information in, and you've got to put in the details of how that money was received. So it's a big ordeal, but what can make it simpler is that you can do these online. You've got to become a BSA e-filer. So if you go to Google and you do BSA e-filing system, then you can start filling these out. And from what I understand, there is like, it will track what you had entered before, so you can easily update the accounts of the people who are dropping cash off, at least from what I understand. I personally haven't filed any myself. I don't receive over $10,000 from any one client in cash, typically. It'd be nice, but I don't. And so I'm just letting you know that these are the things that you need to do. I don't know how enforced they are. There were issues in Colorado where their IRS is coming down on people who haven't been filing the 8300. So if they want to come down on you, that's an excuse to do that. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. Also, I don't know what use the 8300 is. It's for mitigating drug trafficking and those kinds of things. And with the cannabis industry legalizing and the hemp industry, I don't see how they're possibly being able to use any of that data. So we'll see what happens once banking lifts and we can start using bank accounts again. That's the day that I look forward to. Also here for hemp businesses, good news. Northwest Credit Union is opening accounts for hemp businesses. So that is an amazing thing. I would go ahead and attempt to open an account with them. They have locations in Eugene all the way down to Medford, and I'm sure they have some surrounding that too. So be sure to Google Northwest Credit Union in order to open your business bank account right away. All right, thank you very much. Good luck this season.